In the real world of electronics manufacturing, PCB surfaces are rarely perfectly uniform. At Europlacer, we design our solutions to compensate for these imperfections, ensuring optimal performance. With the ongoing miniaturization of components, precision in the X and Y axes is no longer sufficient. Z-axis accuracy is just as critical. It directly impacts not only the quality of component placement, but also the reliability of soldering. To guarantee flawless assembly, our technology ensures components are positioned with absolute precision on the solder paste, regardless of challenges such as variations in component height and placement altitudes. During the placement process on concave boards, components may fall off. On the opposite way, placement force on convex boards could be too much and potentially damage either the components or the PCB. 3DPS is Europlacer's advanced solution for height compensation control during the pick-and-place process. Available across all eNeo and Atom ranges of placement machines, 3DPS seamlessly integrates with Tornado and Pulsar heads, providing precise component pick and placement to enhance the accuracy of your PCB assembly. For every component placed, 3DPS ensures continuous control over the placement force. It dynamically adjusts components' placement position, taking into account height deviations at the nozzle sizes, components, and PCBs. The system comes into operation as soon as the first map is produced, learning the altitudes with extreme precision, and will remain active throughout production to intelligently fine-tune the working altitudes. The three variables, the working height at each precise coordinate, the component heights, which can change from one batch to the next, and the nozzle height, are measured in real time. This is what we call the right-at-first-board strategy. Unlike traditional systems, 3DPS operates continuously, rectifying every board beyond the initial setup. If the product batch changes, the system automatically resets its learning for the new configuration. Compatible with all Europlacer feeders, regardless of the machine's loading zone, it adapts to any high-mix environment of production. By maintaining consistent quality and optimizing throughput, 3DPS ensures a higher level of performance in your manufacturing process.